MINI Plant Oxford celebrates the start of production of the MINI Cooper Convertible for the first time since 2015. The model joins the MINI Cooper 3-door and MINI Cooper 5-door, making MINI Plant Oxford the home of the MINI Cooper family. The fourth-generation MINI Cooper Convertible, announced last month, features a revised exterior design, sustainable interior materials, and innovative in-car technology. We are thrilled about the start of production of the MINI Convertible, which is now being produced again at the Oxford plant, the home of MINI. Unique in its class, the MINI Convertible offers unparalleled, brand-typical driving fun, combined with boundless freedom and great emotions. The iconic design combined with modern technology and connectivity makes this vehicle an unmatched open-air experience for our customers, says Stefan Richman, head of MINI. All three UK BMW Group manufacturing sites contribute to the MINI Cooper Convertible, a celebration of British production. BMW Group plant Swindon produces the body pressings and sub-assemblies, while the latest four-cylinder petrol engines are built at BMW Group plant Hams Hall in North Warwickshire. Finally, these parts come together at MINI Plant Oxford, where body shell production, paint and final assembly take place. Commenting on the start of production, Marcus Gruneisel, head of plants Oxford and Swindon, said, "We are delighted with the launch of the new MINI Cooper Convertible at our plants in Oxford and Swindon. It's an amazing achievement for our team to launch 3 new models at our Oxford plant this year. And I am proud of our exceptional workforce. We're delighted to welcome the MINI Cooper Convertible back home to Oxford, the home of MINI." Following the relaunch of the MINI brand in 2001, the first MINI Convertible was unveiled in 2004 and has remained an icon of the MINI family ever since, with more than 100,000 units sold in the UK to date. The first-generation MINI Convertible, which was built at MINI Plant Oxford from 2004 to 2008, was known for its retro styling and iconic chrome rollover arches behind the rear seats. The second generation, unveiled in 2009 and built at MINI Plant Oxford until 2015, kept the iconic drop-down hinged boot but gained the evolved styling of the Cooper from that era. Production of the model was briefly moved to VDL Nedcar for the third generation, making room for the MINI Clubman at MINI Plant Oxford. Over 150,000 convertible models were produced at Nedcar until production stopped in 2023, before production returned to MINI Plant Oxford. MINI Plant Oxford celebrated its 110th anniversary in 2023. The same year, it produced over 20% of all UK manufactured cars. As one of the oldest automotive plants in the world, MINI Plant Oxford has been in continuous production since 1913 and is a leader in technology and sustainability in automotive production. The new MINI Cooper Convertible has a choice of 2 petrol engines, 163 bhp and 204 bhp respectively, and is priced at £26,200 RRP. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest MINI news and reviews.